All right, so live, welcome to the YouTube live with FX Media Forex Academy. All right, so it's good to be here. All right, so we are going to kick off ASAP. All right, so we're going to have more people joining, whichever place you're connecting from, whether you're from the north, the west, the south, the east. That's the whichever country that you're connected from. Okay, so it's good to be here. All right, but you're going to be learning a lot of things, a lot of things that's going to change your trading game forever. Yeah, trust me, it's going to change your life forever. Yeah, yep. And we're going to be revealing the markets in which where we're going to be making profit from for the week. Okay, so ensure you pay undivided attention. And if you're a newbie on this YouTube live, probably it's your first time joining the live or you just started learning Forex. Okay, so you don't need to feel like you don't belong. Okay, probably when you get to see what you analyze is looking complex. No, I didn't give you the link to join it because of I want you to be confused. No, remember what I always teach that once you are in a circle of 5 millionaires, you end up becoming the sixth millionaire. Once you're in a circle of 5 billionaires, you end up becoming the sixth billionaire. So that is how it actually works. Okay, so just stay and listen attentively to what we are actually dealing with. And those of us that already have an account, a live account, that's great. So I want you guys to make money this week. Okay, if you're still trading with demo accounts, you can also trade. So it's sorry, hold on. All right. Okay, thank you everyone. Happy Father's Day to everybody across the world. I saw you guys' messages, man. It's very crazy. I really, really appreciate. See, if I've not opened your message, it doesn't mean that I'm not grateful. No, we have a lot of chats and so lots of prayers wishing FX Media happy Father's Day. Thank you so much. Like I said, I haven't given birth, but I'm like Father Abraham to a lot of people. Okay, so we thank God that so far so good. We're able to empower a lot of people, and they are doing very well in the financial markets, and the results are speaking for themselves. Okay, so not be say you go the talk rubbish or say the tell you make show workings, fit show workings. Okay, so guys, it's really inspiring. So more of the reason why I get to do this live because I know that there's usually results that comes out, okay, from people who are listening to FS Media and also in the academy, okay. So not going to spend so much time today. I'm going to try. I know I always say that, but I'm going to try today to not not spend so much time. All right. So if you are planning on giving up on forex, don't give up. Forex is the way. Forex is the future, and not just the future. Forex is now. Don't give up on forex. What I urge you to do is to do the right thing, which is learning the right way. Okay, you learn the right way. That is what you are expected to do. You learn the right way. And FX Media offers such an opportunity for you to learn the right way. So you enroll in the academy. And FX Media, I used to do giveaway. I used to give things, accounts, choke, crazy stuff that are going on. Okay. We give a lot. All right. Some persons are already receiving their certificates. We've sent about 100 certificates. Um, if you check your mail, some of you that are supposed to have graduated, you'll see it. But if you are yet to see it, we're still dishing out another couple of hundreds this coming week. Okay, if you have not seen yours, just relax. As long as you fill the form, you see your graduation certificate, and that is a certified certificate. Okay. All right. So the financial knowledge is very, very important, and they don't teach this in universities, and that's crazy. That's why you find somebody that has second class in a particular course, second class upper or first class, and you end up riding Okada or driving bus. Say no job, no. They don't teach you how to. They don't teach you financial knowledge. What they teach you is how to read and pass exam. It shock you. Yes, that's what they. Mox Empire said that I've not seen my okay. You get to see us. Don't worry. Yeah, that's what they teach you in school. They teach you how to read and pass exam. And that's crazy. So forex, like this, a skill of forex teaches you how to make money. Okay, and that's very important. Money solves 99% of human problem, isn't it? My people went to the market, and I saw a tomato that they bought 3,500. I was like, what the heck is this? It's really, really expensive. Very, very expensive. 3,500. And look at the quantity. Am I even supposed to use quantity? Quantity sounds like much. I say look at the pieces actually. Look at the you can count them easily, and that's crazy for 3 5. So things are getting harder by the day, things are getting harder. Inflation is taking over in many countries, most especially African countries. It's taking over. But how can you live above the system of this world? You live above the system of this world by earning in dollars and spending in your local currency. Yes, that's the way you live above the system of this world. Okay. Now I had issues with my generator today, and thank God I installed a solar panel that cost a couple of millions. That's what we're currently on right now. If not, you will not be seeing my face. You just see somebody talking, and it doesn't make sense. I like that you guys see my face, you see my expression, you get the message clearly than doing anonymous live call. I don't do that. I don't like it. You guys know me. Every video you must see my face. You get my expressions, you see everything that we're doing, share my screens and so on. All right. So I don't run out of power due to living above the system of this world, and what has provided that opportunity for me is trading the financial markets. That is what has provided the opportunities for me because I earn in dollars and I spend in my local currency. When I look out to make in dollars, make money in dollars, it does a little money in dollars. Once converted to naira, is a whole lot of money. Imagine me just targeting like $100 in a day. That's like 148,000 naira. That is someone's 5 month salary. But $100 is easier for me to make in a day. The least I'm making a day is like a $300 to $500 every day. Okay, yeah, some days I may not make money. Yeah, but how am I able to succeed is because of I have vast knowledge of the financial market and I never give up. I tried to learn forex the wrong way, and I keyed into the right opportunity, by a female mentor who taught me forex trading. And the first month I learned, you guys know the story. Or the second month where I blew my account and I said I don't do forex again. But thank God for a mentor. Mentor is very important. She called me to order and discuss my mistake with me. And so I picked up again. And that's what have brought me this far and be able to empower thousands of people. Imagine I did not have a mentor. There will not be opportunities for a lot of people right here to be forex traders. All right. So if you give up in forex, now you fuck up. Trust me. Forex is not a skill for you to give up. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's something that you have to put into your mind, put in your body and soul. Now, I didn't say you should quit your job for forex. No, you only quit your job for forex. This advice I'm giving to you right now is what I tell people who wants to quit their job for forex. If you want to quit your job for forex, what you should do is that you must ensure that forex market, is paying you at least double of your salary every month consistently for 4 months. At least 4 months consistently for 4 solid months. Then you can choose to quit your job, but not at the early stage. I made that mistake. I quitted a lot of things that I was doing then. I was running a private school, a private music organization that goes to schools to teach. Till now, I still run them, but I don't do them myself. I have staff, so I just let out the cat out of the bag. I have other business like that here. They're still teaching schools. My staff's teaching schools music actually. So I used to do them by myself then, but I kind of quitted. But when I learned my lessons, I had to employ people to take charge in that environs. Okay, so why I focus on other businesses that I'm into. Okay, so don't quit your job for forex except for the thing that I said to you. Okay, so for you to now settle down and become a full-time forex trader. Okay, and it's very, very sweet. Trust me, the journey may not be easy, yeah, but trust me, it's worth the sacrifice. All right, so if you don't feel like you don't have time in a day, you don't have time in a week or something, that's crazy. You actually have time. Sometimes, not even sometimes, most time, but I wonder, it is the same 24 hours that Elon Musk had or have that he became the richest man. Jeff Bezos as well, Mark Zuckerberg. So what are we talking about? That's crazy. What are we talking about? So as long as you're able to sleep in the night, you have time. Yeah, that is the way I see it. It's not just the way I see it, that is the reality of life. As long as you're able to sleep at night, you have time. Yes. If you sleep 5 hours, 4 hours, you have time. Let's say your work it doesn't permit you. It doesn't permit you, but you have time for WhatsApp. That's crazy. You have time for WhatsApp, you have time to view status, you have time to watch memes. Now, if that's the time that you have to sacrifice that particular time for learning a skill like forex. Like you understand that this is for the greater good. Sacrificing now for the greater good is very important for yourself because um, you have to, be financially free. It's very important. Like I always say, um, all fingers are not equal at the words of a broke man. Yeah, you know that story. At the words of a broke man, you never find a rich man saying all fingers are not equal, except he's trying to pursue a poor man from begging him. Say, you know that all fingers are not equal. Rich man, no, they whine you. You understand? But it's not the words uh, 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 of a rich man. It's the words of a broke man, actually. Okay, Maxwell, I said something already. I said, if you have not received, you will get it this week. We are not done yet. There are much, and we're taking our time because they are certified certificates, not direct certificate. You can just do certificate and proof you get it. No, it's a certified certificate. Okay, we're taking our time to do it well. All right, so you can get it and print it out. So those of you that are getting your certificate, I want you guys to enlarge it like you see my frames right there. Enlarge it, send me a picture of it, or maybe you and I want you to snap with the certificates. Good picture. If your phone is good, fine. If your phone is not too good, you're supposed to change your phone as a forest reader. Then, if you want to take photos, studio matters, you can. I want to see a picture like that. Send me a picture. You owe me that. So when I send you the certificates in your emails, you're expected to do that. Send us that picture. Is a very good one. So posting you gives you a better platform and people get to follow you as well. So it's for your own advantage. All right. So Raphael said we are prolific when it comes to financial status. Raphael is always not forgetting that he's a Christ Embassy member. I won't use prolific shave my beard. All right. So I think we are good to go. We have two markets that we're looking into today: NZD, USD, yeah, WSOCOM. So we're going to dive right into the market, and we'll have two suggestions from the people who from you guys actually. Um, wow, slide just went up. That's crazy, man. Why is it touching? Okay. All right. So we have suggestions from people right here who you guys are streaming. So we have the one that has multiple suggestions we pick. Just like we'll take like two. Austin Joshua says, sir, just a beginner. What's our hope? You enroll in the academies. There is a new class, okay, starting up this coming week. Okay, you enroll, you learn rightly for newbies. All right. So before I go into the live, I want to take my time to answer questions. Okay, to answer questions. You can just go straight to the point. Please don't write the history of your life on this chat section. I want to take forest questions. Okay, don't go ask me who your great great grandfather is. Don't ask me forex based questions. Okay, so I'm going to pick it before I go right into the live. So I'm going to give attention to live to see to questions to see where people are actually missing it out and they want clarifications so their tradings can be better. All right. So Gideon Emmanuel said, good evening, mentor. We are starving for lectures. We will be glad if you can start the lectures with us, but we're expecting you, mentor. All right. So I've told you already, we're starting up the class this brand new week. All right. So just want more people to get in and we'll move. So we're already at the corner. So I've told you guys. So we move. It's start. So Sandy said, boss, please check the swing trade on CADJPY. Yeah, that's one of the trade we are looking into. I'm not asking you for suggestions right now. Chill. You guys should chill. All right. So questions are not coming in. So let me let me just go right into the chat. Coming. Okay, I'm coming. All right, so we're good to fly. See, boss, I look fresh. Meanwhile, I don't tire like this. I don't tire like this. I don't tire. I like to lie. All right, so today is Salah. Happy Ije, how did you take pronounce am? Happy Salah to you guys, okay? I know say Salah meat or Salah anything. I don't say anything. All those Muslims should never get. And I don't serious. Oh. Today Father's Day. Today Salah. Today na person birthday. I don't see any gift for me people. You guys are funny. If you know you can't sell me meat, you sell me something. So these people they ask question with the boss brain. Ha 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 ha. Boss, that's crazy. Yeah. Okay, so we have this. He said, boss. Okay, we are starving. Okay, we'll have that. Is this? Hello, sir. How many trades? Let me show you so everybody can see it. Said, hello, sir. How many trades should we take during the day? It depends on your trading plan and depends on the signal you see. Depends on your confluence. If you have good confluences, you can take your trade. If your confluences are not met, you can't actually take any trade. Don't force the market. Don't force the market. If your confluences are not met, and it's not a must you trade every day. Based on your strategy, you may not be able to trade every day. It doesn't mean you should force the market. Force the market, you will regret it. Okay, so that is it. So that I think I've answered that question. Which other question do we have right here? It's a good day. How long can a trade last? As it depends on your target profit. If you hit your target profit, fine. If you hit your SF, fine, it ends at that point in time for you. But the market's continue moving, it moves. It only pause during weekends and continues on Sunday night, like 10 a.m. It's already 10, so market is obviously as open right now. All right, start. Okay, what do you say, sir? How can we set Chineke? You can for miracle, which be the sports loss. Chineke, which trading this thing you dey use like this? Spot loss and take profit. Omo, that's strange. All right. So the other one that we have here, why is this guy not clicking? Sir, what lot size can I use on a 1K instant funded account? All right. So you can use from a 0.03 to um 0.5, 0.05, 0.03 to 0.5, 0.02 to 0.5. Depends on your risks. It depends on your where you're positioning your entries and your stop loss. Okay. All right. So I'm seeing a good question right here. It says, sir, what time frame do I get my confluence? E.g., chart pattern, candlestick. All right. So your it depends on your strategy. If you're using direct pure price action, you're expected to use time frames from 15 minutes to day one. Okay, just as we've been doing our top-down analysis from 15 minutes to day one. You never see me enter trade in 5 minutes. Based on my strategy, my entries are from 15 minutes and 30 minutes. Okay, so you get your confluences from your 15 minutes time frame up to your day one, and sometimes up to week one. All right. Someone is asking, can a trade last for Monday to Saturday? Yeah, sure. Trade can last from Monday to Friday actually, not Saturday. It will pause on Friday. When market opens on Sunday night, it continues. Okay, so that is what it is. Someone is asking how to analyze swing trades. Sir. You are to get your swing trade, you analyze it on higher time frame. And when you are swing trading, your stop loss are usually wide. Okay, and your take profits are far off because there are some swing trades that can take 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 days. Once it's more than a day, it's already a swing trade. Okay. Someone is asking, sir, please, what should I do when I make profit and later I enter the market and I lost money? When you do that, you go and drink malt, cold malt. Or I'm just joking. So once that happens, first of all, why would you trade again? If you have actually made profit based on your trading plan, you shouldn't trade for that day anymore. You should move on to tomorrow. Okay, move on to the next day. But in case you find yourself in that situation, you leave the trade, you leave the forex chart for a while, go and do other things. But when you come back, you need to review why you lost that trade. I always say that you don't take a new trade until you must have find out why you lost that trade. Okay, sir. I'm saying a question. Sir, please, can I make above $100 on a 1K instant account? Yeah, sure, you can make more than that. There's no limit to the amount you can make. Once you follow your consistency rule and every other information, come on, you get your 70% profit split. So that this past week I posted crazy withdrawals of people. Even I myself, I would do as well too. I was able to withdraw up to like 5 million this week. Yeah, around 5 million this week. Yeah, very crazy, man. Okay, so I've posted people who made withdrawals and even 10 trade boss posted as well. So if you have not gotten your 10 trade account, go to our YouTube channel. Sorry, you can find the link anywhere on YouTube channel. Go to our website www.fxmediatrade.com. Scroll down to where you have 10 trade. You see join now under 10 trade. Click on 10 trade to click on the join now to open up your account. Okay, if you haven't opened a 10 trade account, for you to be under First Media, you need to open an account with 10 trade and get a funded account for yourself. Thereby, you'll be added to the free VIP Signal. Can you imagine? Signal VIP room is free as long as you register under First Media link and you bought an account or you trade traditionally. Okay, there's something I wanted to say now, but I'm not going to say it. It's very fantastic good news from Tentrade. I will say it in a new YouTube video. So that's what I anticipate, a new video in which I'm going to be talking about this week. So I'll drop a new YouTube video explaining better opportunities everybody can get rewarded in using Tentrade as well. Okay. All right, I've not still passed my account though. If you never pass them now, you know why. Okay, so say, let me see. He said, on assignment, said, teach us how to flip account, please. First thing first, before you flip an account, you must have been bigger than that account. That's one first rule because it helps with your psychology. You must have been bigger than that account. Example, if you want to flip $100, okay, you ensure that $100 means nothing to you. You know, when we talk about flipping, we're talking about growing an account in the shortest period of time very fast. Like in a day or two, you have grown $100 to $500. That's flipping. Okay, that's flipping. So before you try to flip, ensure you are bigger than the account. That's just it. You can't try to flip your savings. It will have a problem with your mindset because naturally, when you try to flip an account, you are with the mindset that we die here. Like if it goes, it goes. I found another one. That is it. Okay. Okay. Which other question can we see? All right. Please, how can you enroll to your forex class? I mean currency pairs, not synthetic, sir. Okay. You send me a message. My number is always on the website. You send me a message, and you get to talk and add you up. I'll take this last question. Sir, please, between a breakout confirmation and retracement, which one is more healthy and confident to trade? The one that is more confident to trade is retracement. You guys are asking nice question. Oh. And I'm liking it. I think a lot of you are excited and you're learning from these questions. And even me, I'm even liking as you're asking me these questions to help your trade. It's not like every YouTube live are coming to analyze. The questions that need answer. I like the matured questions you are asking. Sir, please, between a breakout confirmation and a retracement, which one is more healthy and confident to trade? The one that is more healthy to trade is retracement. Yeah. And after retracement, you get your confirmation from candlestick. If you try breakout, you might be trapped by false breakouts most of the time. Breakout is a strategy, but let me tell you, based on my experience in trading, breakout will ruin your trade. You have more losses than your profit. But if you trade retracement, you for a market to retrace and you have a candlestick confirmation, you know that a breakout has occurred at that particular point. So it's more safer. All right. Benedict, sir, about the fundamental analysis, how can it be analyzed when we have previous to be minus 15? I don't understand what you said, but the way I analyze the market, I taught you guys, we use high impact news. I only trade, you know, I trade high impact news and news that is between low and medium does not have effect in the market. Okay? Just is it possible to flip $1? Why are you asking that kind of question? You're supposed to they think $10,000 should be $1. Which is to do $1? Which is the best currency to trade? There's no best currency to trade. You pick the one and you manage your demon. You understand? Just like we have a lot of females. There's no best female now. You pick your own demon and you manage your demon. You understand? Your own female, you marry and manage your problem. Manage your cross. You understand? Okay. Hurricane said, mentor, please, what is the most recommended idea someone needs to have about Forex before becoming independent and trading real? Okay. Well, what you should do is being in when you're learning, you're already independent, actually. You're learning when you're learning from the right source and your mentor gives you a go ahead and you are set. Then you go ahead. Forex is mind. It has to do with a lot of psychology. Then you start work with a reasonable account and not an account that will be shaking you. Some person will fund $20. It's kind of rubbish money be that one. You know one grow. Now that $20 you won't use buy motor or won't use rent house. You know make sense at all. Joseph Christian is laughing. Say pick your demon. Yes, now pick your demon. You know say natural women get choco. They get choco for head. You just carry pick your demon and begin to manage your own cross like that. They have choco. You understand? All right. I said demon, no, not demo. I said pick your demon. Demon, no. That's why I said I was talking about women. So as I say, how can we know a reversal candlestick? Ah, on a support zone, if you start having buy candlestick, is a reversal. Like market coming from a downtrend to a support zone and you start having buy candlestick is a reversal. Same thing pari passu for of resistance. When market from support goes up to resistance and you start having sell candlestick right there, that's the reversal. You know, so that is it. Okay, the question don't plenty. It don't plenty. Okay, let's go into the chat. We have 14 minutes to deal with the chat and we're done. Hope I was able to answer some questions. Sir, should I message you private question private? Should I message you private about that question? Yeah, sure, you can. All right, we're on the chat. So I said the first one we're looking out for is NZD right? Specifically FSCM chart. So we go to the higher time frame. This is on the day 1 time frame. All right. So it actually smashed our trade. We took this trade this past week, and it went our direction, as you can see. We had a wonderful TP smash. This NZUS made me a crazy money. You guys saw my trade now, where we do about 1 million plus. Okay, so I didn't withdraw it, I just withdraw part of it. So that's where at this NZUSD made me the money. But now, what I'm seeing currently, the market is not yet done. Okay, because right now the market is reversing back. Let me take this out so that we understand well. The market is reversing from a resistance zone that started out from here. You know, it's very important that you follow up your chart, whether you lose or you gain, because it helps you. Trust me. It's not like when you lose in a particular market, you are not angry. Why you go the invest? Don't be us create the market now. Why you go the invest? If you invest now, you go lose last. All right. So we go down to 4 hours time frame. Told you it's coming from a resistance. Now, this resistance right here gave us a bearish engulfing candle, and the market started dropping right here. So the way it's looking like, we are expecting a buy on this zone. So market has tapped in a little, but still expecting the market to come down a bit. Okay, so let's go to 1 hour. This is what we have on 1 hour. Then 30 minutes. This could be only the market you trade for this week, and you're done. All right. So we have our trend lines. We map it out. You see the reason why. Look at this week right here. See the reason why you don't trade breakout. You see this long week. It took out people's stop loss. Start to go down again. That's crazy. So that's why you need to wait for proper retest. Okay. So we have a double top that formed here that also made market to be going down where it is right now. So our entry is within this box, this support zone. So this is where my stop loss is going to be down here. So that's about 26.6 pips. That's a good one. If you're using a 0.01, the 0.1 lot, that should give you about $26.6. Okay, on which so targeting 94 pips. That's crazy. All right, as long as the fundamentals are good, expect a reversal upward back to the market, but we wait for our buys before we enter. So this is how we're risking this again. But I think I should extend it to this place just in case market wants to grab liquidity. Extend it to 32 pips. Okay, let me do here. Send it to this because this is the area of liquidity grab. All right, so that's 34.4 pips. So that's where we're going to put it. All right, so in a situation whereby it doesn't, the buy doesn't hold, what's up? So we look out for the sell. So if it breaks out, we wait for the test. We always remember no retest, no entry. Okay, so that is what we do. So for buy, wait for market to come here and we ride the market. So to go, you understand, right? If this market review have changed your life since you've been learning from FS Media structurally and coming on the YouTube live, indicate in the chat section like you've learned a whole lot. Like this live session have been a blessing to you in the past 1 year. You can indicate in the chat section. Let's see you. I'm talking about those that are enrolled in the academy and also partaking in the life. It has changed your life forever. If that change your life, indicate in the chat section. Let other people see um, how beneficial this um, life has been to a lot of people across the world. Okay, so this is what we have on NZD USD. So we're going into the second pair. Let me take this out. Moggy said I'm number one. Oyema Peter, my guy. You don't think I see you. I don't think I see you. Welcome, welcome. You guys know Peter now, the one we buy sharp mods. That motor now 9-10 million. Crazy man. Young guy, 24 years old. People just say a bad guy, but a bad trader. All right, so you can see lots of amazing comments. Sylvester said, okay, to soon change my life. Yes, you're such a blessing. This best choice I've ever made, my boss. Thank you so much, Peter. See me, yes, sir. Jesse that has three. Hey, Jesse, you guys remember Jesse that I posted this week? He has surrounded himself with 10 trade accounts. This guy, bad guy, mad investor. Surrounded, he bought 1K, bought 3K evaluation, bought 3K instant funded. So money everywhere. He choke. Where did he start from? From a particular deposit. Okay, so I told you guys that you don't store money in your proper account. You make profits, you diversify your funds, you can buy more accounts and trade your traditional way. But always remember that your traditional, which is your normal funding, is the place you should trade. You should focus on growing more and trading as well. Okay, but you don't store money in your prop account. You make profits, you withdraw. Okay, if you blow your account, buy another one. Yes, learn your lesson, buy another. If you blow account, you buy again. You blow, you buy again until you learn your lesson the right way. But you're not expected to be blowing account anyhow. No, that's not what we teach. But in case your head stubborn, you blow account, you buy another one again. All right. So amazing comment. Life B said, this is just 2 months with you, and I've really learned a lot. Thank you so much for that. Samson said, boss man, okay. Fancy Chima, my guy said, I'm surely the next testifier. Beautiful. Testimony. This guy, know they miss anything. I don't know anything when I come into FS Media. Nah, you don't sabi. So if you're in a category where you've not started making profits, don't give up, okay? So thank God you're already giving rooms for questions on this YouTube live to address some certain things. So if you have issues, you address or you take advantage of the live. So you drop your questions and I take them. So I'm creating questions for this is a new way now. We're going to be doing it. Once we come on YouTube live, the first segment is going to be questions on trading to sort out people's problem. Okay, then the second segment is we're going into the chat. So that's how we do it. So that we can be killing two birds with one stone at a time. Okay, not just every time come on chat or come on live or doing chat. You know, you take your questions where you're struggling or where you have an issue or what you don't understand. We'll trash it out. Okay, this YouTube live buy my ram for Salah. Jesus is Lord. Make I pin that comment. Oseni. See am. Make I snap am. I go post am. I go post am. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Why I no go post am? Make I snap this thing. Sharp. This is a magnificent testimony, sweet testimony. I can even do short video. I can do short video where I go use I go post for my status. We are live on YouTube, and look at the number of people we have here, 124 on the live. And look at this pinned comment. Oseni Kachola said, "This YouTube live buy my ram for Salah." That's super amazing. So it's just asking them, how has this YouTube live affected your life? All right. So several comments that are life changing. Okay. So this YouTube live is not a waste. It has empowered a lot of people and made people to have a better trading skill. All right, congratulations to all of you. Thank you, Seni, for this wonderful one. Don't forget to send my meet too. We are live on YouTube, and look at it. That's cool. Okay, so thank you for that. So let's go into the second one. We have a couple of minutes to go. CADJPY. Since I'm seriously keeping the tabs of time, I'm very serious. On Sunday, I'm usually stressed. Like, the activities I do on Sunday is crazy. I'm usually stressed, but I still keep up. Okay, so we have CADJPY. It's one of the markets we're trading. We can't dribble us. We made profit, but dribble us. Now, we had this market review, you can see right here. So let me tell you reality of life right now. You see this? This was the market review last week, right? This market like this was supposed to buy. But let me tell you something. This is a clear manipulation because there is nothing stopping CADJPY from buying. Nothing at all. I back tested, I've checked it. But instead, it hit our SL in this place. It hit SL, come down and start going up. And guess what? It's gonna get right here. Trust me, as long as the fundamental does not go against it, it's gonna get right there. So it just came and took us out, but no problem. That is why it's very important that you apply proper risk management to your trade. So when you lose a little, you get into that. When we lost here, I didn't take any other trade, as you can see. I waited for my confirmation, and thank you, Seni, for reminding me of that. So the buy still continues. It's not a sell. This is a first sell. A first sell. It's still on an uptrend. Okay, yeah. We have markets arranging like soldiers, like this. So it's asking me, how did I get these tools? It's on your trading view now. You get your tools. So as I'm analyzing, you'll see where I'm getting these tools from. Okay. Please and please, if you have not registered FS Media, go and register and get an account, your 10 trade account for yourself, or fund naturally and trade naturally, whichever one. Just as JC did. He has natural accounts that he trades, then he bought proper accounts. It's for your own good. Okay. So we had a breakout here. We had a breakout that came back to this the support here. What do you think is likely going to happen? It's still going to buy. Yeah. My eyes is itching me, sha. It isn't easy. Before we draw our this, let's go to 30 minutes. Okay. Yeah, our market is already open. You can see, as you can see in this candle. Go to 15 minutes. Okay. When do we buy this market? When this high is taken? So that's for me. That's where I'm still looking out for this market to go to downward direction. Trust me. But to be on the safer side, I'll just adjust my SL1 because of our swing trading. So our stop loss needs to be wide. Okay. I'll go back to higher time frame so we can see the swing trade. See, this is super amazing. I was expecting it to get here. So it could take 1 week, 2 weeks or so. I told you guys that last time. So that's what I actually expect market to do to buy up to this. Only this trade, you just take your to close your eyes. But your SL needs to be, mature. Needs to be matured. Okay, let me go down. All right, start dropping your suggestion for market that you want us to look into. Market that you have checked to that has good potential. Couple markets that you suggested not have good potential, you go get problem. So market that you've checked that has potential, you just want me to look into it as well. You can drop your suggestion. The most suggested one is what I'll pick. I'll just pick. What's the time left that we have? Oh, we have 9 minutes because I plan on stopping at 7 at 1 hour when it's 1 hour. So please, how do we know when the market is retesting? Please, you're a newbie and enroll in the academy. Enroll in the academy, sir. I love your mentorship, but your board is not too clear. If it's not clear, go and change your YouTube settings. It needs to be in high quality. Check it. Some persons own are on default low quality. So go and check it so you see clearly. It's not today you start doing YouTube live. So check your own end. All right. So what is the most suggested one we have here? I'm seeing you XAU, USD CHF, GP USD, GBP USD. Okay. Which one is the winner in this place now? Because I say everybody's winning. Cyber says, sir, what if I don't have enough cash to buy a proper account? I want to start up with a real account in order to make a money to buy. I can see Josh. Sure. Yeah, no, yeah, you can see Josh, sure. But your funding needs to be no, I'm not sure you can join them. Because how much is the money for proper account? It's taking money now. So no, I can't join. Except you are funding a reasonable amount. You can still join the channel. It's not now also understand that it's not until you buy proper accounts that you can join the VIP. You need to fund a reasonable money like $100 or 80 or 1,500 or 300 reasonable money you can join. You want to buy proper account. So those are the two things that give you access. Not be say you go fund $20, say you want join VIP. You wine me. Say they wine me. VIP, talking VIP that people normally subscribe every month and we're giving out for free. I want to wine me with $20. No, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, GBP USD don't win. I'm sure. More go check. More go check. I'm not a GBP USD fan, but let's check GBP. Straight top down analysis, higher time frame. Let's go and look. This GBP is not dancing around. We analyzed this in that last time. The last time. I just look into it. If it doesn't look good for me, I skip ASAP. No time. Don't attention I'm wasting my time. Okay, this is cool. Based on that, see false breakouts. You see that I'm saying about false breakouts like this. See, and now it's on this zone. Is there? This is what we analyzed in the last market review, where we said that okay, market breakout here is likely going to come down to this level. So our setup for last week is still valid for GBP USD. Okay, so if market breaks out, as it breaks out from here, but let's check lower time frame. Let's see what the kind of candle that's forming there. Hmm. Let the market properly break out, then we'll know what to do. Properly breaks out from here. This line I put there breaks out from here, so it's a good way, it's a good entry. It's a good confirmation that okay, market is going to sell. OGB can dribble you. All right, this is the right here for me. So that's what I see. on GBP USD. So let's go to XAU. Remember, we're not the owner of the forex market. If it doesn't go our direction, it doesn't mean that it's supposed to go our direction. Okay, so we are risking a little just in case it doesn't go our direction. All right, so we have XAU USD. So what do we have here on the higher time frame? Gold is still in an uptrend. All right, we put the necessary support and resistance. Our trend lines. Okay. Resistance zone right here. If you look very well, this thing is looking inside the box like this. It's looking inside a box. So we go to 1 hour. All right, so we have market coming to this support zone right here. Okay, so based on what I'm seeing on gold, I'm coming. All right, I'm seeing a buy move for gold. But before I take my buy, it has to break out from this place, from this zone. This is a neckline. Because if you look very well, this is like a W here. We have first W here that made market to go up. Then we have a second leg of a major W right here. So once it breaks this neckline above here, so we launch our buy in this box. We target this high. And so you can target this one for a long time. It's very interesting to swing trade. It doesn't make you to be jumping up and down like a shower. You don't go collect forex disease. You can't wonder within the pack for you. You don't know say now you they jump up and down. You don't know say they get forex disease. The only one disease you get, which is stop loss, go chop stop loss tire. All right. So that is what I'm looking for XU, which is gold. So if I have a breakout right here, I'm taking my buy for XAU. Christopher, if I give you blow from here, you will vanish. Which one is USDCHN? Now only they trade that one. No. Which kind USDCHN? I know they trade that thing. No. I know they trade that. Trade the wine me. Matthew Friday said, boss, I have a funded account on another platform. Can I join the VIP? Nope. I was clear. Specifically 10 trade. Thank you. And you must have registered under FS Media link or promo code. Promo code FS Media 28. I'm done with XAU USD, which okay. Um okay. Let's see USD CHF. From you guys' suggestion, I saw USD CHF. Higher time frame day one. First, we identify the trend of the market. So what is the trend? What can we see? Um, okay, you can clearly see a downtrend, right? So we're looking for opportunities or to do what? To short, that's to sell. Okay, so we plot our necessary Palambus. It's good for your chart to be neat. Very, very neat. So here's my trend line because this connects well, it fits in well. That person that suggests USD CHF, you go chop better take profit this week. Can I get an amen? You go chop better take profits because this USD CHF looks promising. All right. So we have a neckline here that was broken and market came to retest. That's this is the neckline I'm talking about. Market retested, gave bearish engulfing and started coming down. Okay. So based on what we're seeing, we'll be able to um, see where market is likely to reverse from, right? Here's an interesting zone. This place is an interesting zone. Trust me, my experience in trading, this place is an interesting zone. I did tell you, it's an interesting zone here. So let's go to lower time frame. All right, so we have this on the lower time frame, and we have a support holding here. A support holding at this zone. Okay. We'll go to 30 minutes. All right. So for us to have where a clear place, we need to go back to a higher time frame so we can have a clear view. Okay, so we have this in this zone. So I said here's an interesting zone. Why? Because this is where market broke out from. We tested and started going up. It's an interesting zone where lots of buyers are. So that would be target profits once market break out from here. We'll be observing all of these markets. So where we have good entries, the people in the VIP channel get the signal. All right. So as it's looking short, it's big. Oh, this way they see like this. Look at the pips. Target profit is 121 pips. So risking 37 pips. So don't look at it as tiny because of I folded it. It's a long way. 121 pips is crazy, man. It's crazy. So wait for a breakout, then we take our trade. But we're monitoring all this. So we've looked into NZD USD, CAD USD CHF. All right. So those three, the three are before. Don't do four already now. Okay. Daniel, they come late. Someone is asking, Samuel Andek is asking, how can I enroll in the academy? Send me a message now. Come on WhatsApp. I don't hide my number, but the thing is that don't call my number directly, like my personal number. Don't call it directly. Okay, it's a WhatsApp phone. Okay, don't call it directly. It will be disturbing a lot of things. Just send me a message on WhatsApp. So how can I calculate pips? Don't know how to calculate pips. Go to our website www.fsmediatrade.com and get the calculations. Okay, I thought that there are free courses on our website. About 20 courses I made. You see, FS Media and free things. You should give a lot of support because I've made so much money in trading forex and want to empower a lot of people. Okay, Mark Wilson, if you like, drop GBBJPY 100 times. I know they check them. Why? Because only you they copy and paste. Since I know go look name, I know they look anything. Go check them by yourself. All right, guys. I think we've come to the end of this live. So I was able to keep time. First time we're using the 1 hour 5 minutes. That's super amazing. Okay. So, guys, I can't wait for you guys to start making money this week. It's very important that you make money for yourself. If you've not gotten your 10 trade account, I told you do that. Want to fund and trade traditionally, probably you want to fund $500 or $1,000. If that's what you want to do, fine, you can trade directly like that. Okay. All right, guys. So, say please, what's the best time frame for beginners? There's no best time frame. All time frames are useful. Okay, but when you're dealing with indicator strategy, you are dealing with time frames like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 5 minutes time frame. That's when you're using indicator. But when you're using pure price action, from 15 minutes time frame to day one time frame are useful. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your wonderful attention right here. So look forward to having several forex millionaires across the world. And if you know somebody that's supposed to be here, and so if you're just joining for the first time, ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on your notifications, share. It doesn't cost much to share. All right. So this sharing and referring people to FSpedia and your YouTube channel does not cost anything. It encourages one to do videos like this, take our time to make traders to succeed in trading. Not every mentor that have this kind. Just go and check how many people are going live every week. How many people are going live to break down some certain things and relate with you guys. Thank you, Shegu. You said we love you, sir. I love you too. Love you too. Jessica, I can't wait to understand this to the full. You definitely understand. What is your WhatsApp number, sir? How many times I won't drop this thing? Go to our website. You see my WhatsApp number there. Scroll down, you see it there. Thanks, boss, for the analysis. I don't get my trading plan set. Beautiful, send it. Or send it my boy. How can I get the account, sir? I've said this in several times. Hey, sir, fundamentals. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't almost forget to Chineke May. Thank you. That boy, you will live long. You will live long. You will live long. Hey, I don't almost throw away this thing. Oh. Hey, we'll go check news, I beg. All right. So what do we have for this week? The news. Um, so we have our high impact news. Okay, so we have no business with that. Okay, there's a news coming up for United States high. All right, so watch out for that market. Then on Tuesday, if you're trading AUD, you have a little bit. No, this one wouldn't react to this the market. They're not really important news. Okay, then we have this USD. USD is coming up on Tuesday, June 18. It's coming up on Tuesday. Um, 130. So watch out for that time. Okay. All right. So what else? Let's look into Wednesday. What we have right there. Why is this thing slow? Why is this thing not opening like this? I'm not sure why. It's okay. That's open. Over to Wednesday. We have JPY high. It won't affect like that. All right. So, like I said, our interest is with the high impact news. The low impact news and medium does not affect the market. It's just the high impact news that affect the market. And we have a couple of major news, just FOMC, CPI, and NFP. Okay, those will affect, and sales too affect. So then on Friday, AUD USD, you watch out. All right. So the strategy for trading news is a secret strategy that I teach to only FS Media students. That's like trading the news in that when it is dropped. It's a secret strategy I only teach FX Media students. So if I were you, if you have not enrolled in the academy, ensure you do that ASAP. Okay. So I know actually on this YouTube, I can't teach you everything. Those ones that get everything are the ones that are part of FS Media. So if you are not yet registered in the academy, join us, start making money as well. Okay, so you can learn amazing secret stuff in the academy. I think that will be all for now. That will be all. Thank you so much for having you guys, right? Thank you so much for being part of the class tonight. All right, so I'm sure you annihilate the market tonight, this week rather. So on Sunday we'll get to share good news. Then on Sunday I'm going to be asking how much did you make this week? I'll ask almost everybody how much did you make this week this Sunday. I hope I'll have the time to come on live. So I'll ask you how much did you make this week. So try as much as possible to make money, trade with account. If you're a newbie and I've not given you go ahead, don't trade with accounts. Okay? All right guys, thank you so much. Have a blessed week. Bye.